गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज है 3 जुलाई 2026 और हम देख रहे हैं क्लास 8 की मैथ गणित प्रकाश का फर्स्ट चैप्टर स्क्वायर एंड क्यूब, और उसका आज हम टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे परफेक्ट स्क्वायर एंड ऑड नंबर्स। तो आप मेरे साथ बने रहिए और देखते हैं व्हाट इज परफेक्ट स्क्वायर। द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी नेचुरल नंबर इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर। मीन्स कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर का जब हम स्क्वायर निकालते हैं दैट इज परफेक्ट स्क्वायर। मीन्स सपोज 6 इज अ नेचुरल नंबर, इसका हम स्क्वायर करेंगे 36, देन 36 इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर। 7 इज अ नेचुरल नंबर, इसका हमने स्क्वायर किया 49, 49 इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर। अंडरस्टूड। देन द नेक्स्ट इज ऑड नंबर। व्हाट आर ऑड नंबर्स? The numbers which are divisible by 2 and you will get the remainder 1 is called odd numbers, or the numbers which are not perfectly divisible by 2 are the odd numbers. And what are these? 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. These are the odd numbers. We will see how odd numbers are related to perfect square. Let's add consecutive odd numbers. 1. Addition will get 1. The second is 1 plus 3. We'll get 4. Third is 1 plus 3 plus 5. We'll get 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, 16. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, 25. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, 36. So, can you see that 1 is a square, 4 is a square, 16 is a square, 25 is a square and 36 is a square. Means what you conclude? What we conclude that addition of consecutive odd number will give us a square, and these consecutive odd numbers are successive odd numbers and starting from 1. So these are successive odd numbers starting from 1, and when we are adding them we get the perfect square. Understood? Now see, this is the square of 1, this is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3, 16 is the square of 4, 25 is the square of 5, 36 is the square of 6. Understood? See, we'll see the next conclusion. See, we square of 4 is the square of 2, and we add the odd numbers, only successive odd numbers, only 2 successive odd numbers, 1 plus 3, and we get the square of 2. To obtain the square of 3, we add successive 3 odd numbers. That is, first odd number is 1, second odd number is 3, and third odd number is 5, and we get the result 9, which is the square of 3. To find the square of 4, we add 4 successive odd numbers starting from 1, that is 1, 3, 5 and 7. The result comes 16. And to find the square of 5, we add 5 successive odd numbers starting from 1, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We get the 25. ये क्या कंक्लूड करता है? ये कंक्लूड करता है कि टू ऑब्टेन द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी नेचुरल नंबर, हमको वो जो नेचुरल नंबर का जो ऑड नंबर है वहां तक हमको एडिशन करना होगा। मींस अगर हमको सपोज 11 का हमें स्क्वायर निकालना है, अगर हमें 11 का स्क्वायर निकालना है तो हमको सक्सेसिव ऑड नंबर्स का एडिशन करना है अप to 11th odd number. अंडरस्टूड. अगर हमको 47 का स्क्वायर निकालना है तो हमको सक्सेसिव ऑड नंबर्स का एडिशन करना पड़ेगा अप टू 47th ऑड नंबर. दिस इज आवर नेक्स्ट कंक्लूजन. ठीक है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट द 11th odd number? How will you find out the 47th odd number? We have formula for this. Before that, let's understand another conclusion, which is the reverse of the first conclusion we have made. What is our first conclusion? The addition of successive odd number starting from 1, we get the perfect square. A reverse of this conclusion is what? All perfect squares are the sum of the successive odd numbers starting from 1. Understood? You can check. See, these are the perfect squares and these are the sum of the successive odd numbers. This is the reverse conclusion. Understood? Now we will go to the next, what we were discussing. Nth odd number. How will you find the nth odd number? Understood? We have a formula, nth odd number. What is formula? 2n minus 1. To find out the nth odd number, we have formula 2n minus 1. If you want to find the 61th odd number, we will apply this formula. Here our n is 61. Understood? Here our n is 61. 2 into 61 minus 1. We got the result 122 minus 1, that is 121. 121 is the 61th odd number, right? So if the question has been asked to find the nth odd number, we will use this formula 2n minus 1. How this formula will help us? This formula help us to find out the square of the next natural number. Suppose हमें 35 का स्क्वायर is given, 1 2 2 5. This is given and we want to find the next square number, that is 6. How will you find? By using the nth method. See, find out the 36th odd number. How will you find out the 36th odd number? We will use the formula 2n minus 1. Apply this formula. We have n equal to 36. So 2 into 36 minus 1, that is 72, minus 1, that is 71. 71 is the 36th odd number. Add this number to this perfect square, 71. You get the result 6 9 2 1. So 1926, sorry, 1296 is the square of 36, and you have find out how this square has 35 square has been given to you, and you have find it out the 36th odd number, and you have simply add this odd number and you get the 36th square. Understood? In this way we can get the perfect square. Now the method, if any natural number is given to you, we have already checked whether that number is perfect square or not. How? We have checked by subtracting the successive odd numbers to that series, and we have seen if the result comes 0, then it is a perfect square. If the result is not equal to 0, then it is not a perfect square. Now we will see the relation of perfect number with the triangular numbers. Triangular numbers. See, what are triangular numbers? Let's understand. See, this one dot is one. Suppose this is one triangle. Make another two dots. It looks like a triangle. Understood? This number is 3. So 3 is the another triangle number. Then make another 3 dots. This also looks like a triangle. If you see, if you join like this will looks like another triangle, and this number is 6. Another triangular number is what? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. What is this number? 10. What is the another triangular number? 0 dot dot 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. What is this number? This number is 15. This is your next triangular number. In the same way, if you want to find out the next triangular number, how will you find out? Dot 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is this number? If you calculate, this is 21. This is a triangular number. Next triangular number is 21. Now, how these numbers are related to perfect square? Understood. Let's add. 1 plus 3 you will get 4. 3 plus 6 you will get 9. 6 plus 10 you will get 16. 10 plus 15 you get 25, and 25 plus 21 you get 36. And what are these numbers? 4, 9, 16, 25. These are the perfect square. Means, what is the conclusion we have drawn? That addition of two consecutive triangular number will give you a perfect square. Two consecutive triangular number will give you a perfect square. And how will you find out the triangular number? You have seen like this. And this is the relation how triangular number are related to perfect square. I repeat again, addition of two consecutive triangular number will give you a perfect square. This is all for today's class. Thank you very much. Take care.